Hi guys, Corspire 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Here is our third one for today. And this one is different than most other Matchbox working with vehicles that I have unboxed for you guys so far. This one is actually called the GMC and C8500 tree trimming truck. Yeah, and then this one can cut down and trim trees if they're dead. And of course, there's a lot of moving parts on this one, more than the other ones. And so we are going to take a look around this one. Let's get an unboxing and get a closer look at it. So here we go, you guys. Okay, I got the card and stuff out.
Visualize audio. I always have it on default.
Alright, almost there. Alright, guys, hang on. Alright, I got it now. Now, let me move these down. Alright, here we go. Now, let's look out. Let's take a look at this one. Unfortunately, there are no details at all on this one. But there is a big black grill over here. Totally different than most other ones. Nothing in the rear either, unfortunately. But the big main part on this one. Yeah, there are a few things on one side. There's more on this one. And this is where all the equipment are located. On the doors, it says orange, italic, green division, and matrix. Yes, orange, tone, and matrix, green division. And over there it says FL, I think, in Florida. And it's southeast. Even here. But however, as you guys already know, Florida is already it's going to experience a hurricane. And that's going through there. But luckily, I'm up here in Illinois. But it's raining right now, though. It's been a human day for me. Now, let's look around at other things. There's this part. Where's the bucket? It has to be this part right here. But now, yeah, the feature that this one has, it's time to show you guys what I mean on that one. See? There's that. And believe it or not, yeah, it can literally turn a full 360 degrees. And yes, the bucket is still oh yeah, it can move too. And also this part back here, it can dump. Oh, the back door it also can open up. I don't see every day. Alright, let me put them down. That's something else here for a tree trimming truck. From GMC. Hey, so you guys already have it. The GMC C8500 tuck test tree trimming truck. But you guys know this one? More on the way. I got 5 that come out next. So I'll see you guys in that one, you guys. Later, everyone.